8 Best Natural Fertilizers. There are several all-natural garden fertilizers that may be used directly in your garden or potting soil. Some of these fertilizers may be created or gathered at home with typical pantry or backyard materials. Here are the 8 best natural fertilizers for all your gardening needs. 1. Grass clippings. Nitrogen is abundant in grass clippings. A weed-blocking mulch of 1/2 inch to 1 inch of grass clippings is also high in nitrogen, which is a critical nutrient for most plants. 2. Weeds. Many of the weeds in your garden are also high in nitrogen and can make a fantastic fertilizer. The difficulty is that once you've uprooted the weeds, you won't want to replant them since any seeds will grow and create more weeds. To avoid this, make weed tea by filling a 5-gallon bucket no more than 1/4 full with weeds. Then fill the bucket halfway with water and soak the weeds for a week or 2. Pour this nutrient-rich weed tea over your gardens once the water has become brown. 3. Compost from kitchen scraps. Make your own compost from kitchen and yard garbage. Compost slowly releases nutrients, so a well-composted garden can survive a year or 2 without needing to be fertilized again. Compost also aids in the retention of moisture in the soil, which is necessary for vegetable gardens to thrive during hot, dry summers. 4. Manure. Manure is produced by a range of animals, including cows, horses, and chickens. Each kind of manure is abundant in nitrogen and other nutrients, but it must be used with caution. Raw manure is very acidic and may contain more nutrients than your plants require, so too much might burn them. Composted manure is preferable since it is less nutrient-dense and acidic, and you may use more of it to boost your soil's water retention without endangering your plants. 5. Tree leaves. Collect fall leaves for your gardens rather than bagging them and throwing them out on the curb. Leaves are high in trace minerals, attract earthworms, retain moisture, and aid in the lightening of heavy soils. You can either plow leaves into your soil or use them as a mulch to nurture your plants while also keeping weeds at bay. 6. Coffee grounds. Coffee grounds have several uses, but one of the most useful is as a plant fertilizer. Many plants flourish in acidic soil, including blueberries, rhododendrons, roses, and tomatoes. Recycle your coffee grounds to help your soil become more acidic. You may either top dress by dusting the used grounds over the soil surface, or you can create coffee to pour over your gardens. To make garden coffee, soak up to 6 cups of leftover coffee grounds for up to a week, then use it to water acid-loving plants. 7. Eggshells. Eggshells help your soil become less acidic. They benefit plants that don't like acid by lowering the acidity of the soil, and they supply a lot of calcium, which is a necessary nutrient. Simply clean your kitchen eggshells and smash them for use in your garden. Eggshells are 93% calcium carbonate, making them an excellent substitute for lime. 8. Banana peels. Roses love the potassium provided by banana peels. Simply bury the peels in a hole alongside the rose bush to compost organically, or bury them in the top layer of the soil as the rose grows. Both of these methods will offer the plant with much-needed potassium for healthy development. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.